When it comes to increasing the value of your home, there are many home improvement projects to consider, but few offer the benefits of window replacement. For homeowners in Fayetteville, Arkansas, investing in new windows can not only improve the aesthetics of your home but also provide long-term financial rewards. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enhance your living environment, here's how window replacement can boost your home's value in Fayetteville. Curb appeal and first impression. In Fayetteville, where charm and character define many of the homes, curb appeal plays a significant role in attracting potential buyers or visitors. New windows can completely transform the exterior of your home, offering a modern, clean look that enhances its overall appeal. Whether you have a contemporary-style home or a traditional southern cottage, new windows come in various styles, such as double-hung, casement, and bay windows, allowing you to choose an option that complements your home's design. Replacing old, worn-out windows with newer, more stylish models also gives the impression of a well-maintained, updated home. This is especially important when potential buyers drive by or visit, as first impressions can influence their perception of the property's value. Windows that are energy efficient and stylish communicate that the house has been cared for and modernized, making it more attractive in a competitive real estate market. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the most compelling reasons to replace windows is to improve your home's energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those without modern seals or insulation, allow heat to escape in the winter and cool air to leak out in the summer. This leads to higher energy bills and a less comfortable living environment. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, such as double-pane or triple-pane glass options, you can reduce your heating and cooling costs significantly. In a city like Fayetteville, where temperatures can range from freezing winters to hot, humid summers, energy-efficient windows can have a major impact on your utility expenses. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows are designed to block UV rays, helping to protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from sun damage. These long-term cost savings can increase your home's value by making it more appealing to environmentally conscious buyers who are looking for homes that will help them save money and reduce their carbon footprint. Enhanced safety and security. In addition to boosting energy efficiency, new windows can provide increased safety and security for your home. Older windows can be difficult to open, close, or lock properly, which can compromise the security of your home. Replacing outdated windows with modern, high-quality models offers enhanced safety features, such as stronger locks, reinforced frames, and shatterproof glass options. For buyers in Fayetteville, knowing that a home is secure and up-to-date with the latest safety standards is a major selling point. Homes with secure windows can also make homeowners feel more at ease, knowing their property is well protected against break-ins and other security threats. Maintenance-free living. Another reason to invest in window replacement is the reduced maintenance and upkeep that comes with modern windows. Older windows may require frequent painting, caulking, or even repairs due to deterioration or poor sealing. New windows, particularly those made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, are designed to be low maintenance. These materials resist fading, peeling, and rotting, allowing you to enjoy your home without worrying about constant upkeep. For potential buyers in Fayetteville, the prospect of owning a home that doesn't require extensive maintenance is highly appealing. Homes that are low maintenance and easy to care for are more likely to attract buyers, making your property stand out in a competitive real estate market. Return on investment. And finally, one of the most important factors for homeowners considering window replacement in Fayetteville is the return on investment, ROI. According to various real estate studies, replacing windows can recoup a substantial portion of the project cost upon resale. While the exact ROI can vary depending on factors such as the type of windows chosen and the overall condition of the home, many homeowners see a significant increase in property value, especially if they choose high-quality, energy-efficient windows. In Fayetteville's real estate market, where potential buyers value energy efficiency, curb appeal, and modern features, the ROI on window replacement can be especially high. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to improve your home for your own enjoyment, window replacement is a smart investment that can deliver both immediate and long-term financial benefits. Conclusion. Replacing your windows is more than just a home improvement project, it's an investment in your home's future. In Fayetteville, where energy efficiency, safety, and curb appeal are highly valued, new windows can significantly increase the value of your property. From reducing energy bills to enhancing your home's overall aesthetic, the benefits are undeniable. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient living space, window replacement is a smart choice that will pay off in both the short and long run.